Did you know that dark underarms are something many people struggle with, but most people don't talk about? Shaving, irritation, and even deodorant can cause this. But don't worry, today I'm sharing simple remedies to say goodbye to dark underarms naturally. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I share beauty and skincare tips to help you look and feel your best. Today we are diving into one of the most common beauty concerns, dark underarms. Let's explore easy remedies that actually work. Dark underarms can be caused by many factors. Shaving often causes tiny cuts and irritation that darken the skin. Harsh deodorants or antiperspirants may trigger pigmentation. Friction from tight or synthetic clothing worsens it, and sometimes it's genetics or hormonal changes. This can affect confidence, especially when wearing sleeveless outfits or enjoying the beach. The good news, you don't need expensive treatment. Here are some simple, safe remedies. 1. Lemon juice works as a natural bleaching agent and kills bacteria. Rub a slice before showering. 2. Turmeric plus coconut oil. Turmeric reduces inflammation while coconut oil hydrates and brightens. 3. Exfoliation. Use a gentle scrub or exfoliant with AHAs, BHAs to remove dead skin cells. 4. Potato slices. Potatoes have mild bleaching properties. Rub them daily for gradual brightening. 5. Aloe vera gel. Soothes irritation, hydrates and reduces pigmentation. 6. Loose cotton clothing. Reduces friction and irritation compared to synthetic fabrics. 7. Brightening creams. Choose ones with vitamin C or niacinamide to fade dark spots. Now for the remedy so many people swear by, the baking soda and lemon scrub. Here's how. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a few drops of lemon juice to form a paste. Gently massage it onto your underarms in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. This natural scrub exfoliates dead cells, brightens skins, and reduces dark patches. Many have reported noticeable results after just a few weeks of consistent use. It's simple, affordable, and effective. So there you have it, from lemon and turmeric to potato slices and the baking soda scrub. These simple remedies can help lighten dark underarms over time. The key is patience and consistency. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare and beauty hacks. And let me know in the comments which remedy you are trying first.